To use Golfnow Credit. First, log into your Golfnow account on the website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the booking page and select the course and tee time you want to book. When you reach the payment page, look for the Golfnow Credit section, where you can apply your available credit to the booking. Make sure you have sufficient credit in your account to cover the full or partial amount of the booking. If you have enough credit, click the Apply Credit button to use it towards your booking. The credit will be deducted from your total and you will only be charged for any remaining balance. If you do not have enough credit to cover the full amount, you can use a credit card to pay for the remaining balance. Golfnow Credit can be used to book tee times at thousands of golf courses and can be earned through various promotions and loyalty programs. To maximize the use of your Golfnow Credit, always check your account balance before making a booking and try to use your credit before it expires. You can also earn more credit by referring friends, writing reviews, and participating in other Golfnow programs. By following these steps, you can easily apply your Golfnow Credit to your bookings and save money on your golf games. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of your credit to ensure you understand how it can be used and when it expires.